Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how we can go ahead and add a person column to our SharePoint list. So let's actually come over to the latest list that we created and we'll clear out some of these tabs here. Okay, so on this one we have our title, we have our modified, we have our created by, modified, department, and then reference. So these are custom, and we're going to go ahead and add another one. We're going to add a person. So we'll come over to add column, and then we're going to scroll down. I may have passed it, sorry. It's right here, person, and then we'll go ahead and select next, and then we'll call this yours, or actually we'll just put supervisor. Okay, and then this would be type, person, or group, so we'll leave it as that. We can add a description if we want. You can add allow selection of groups, but we don't want to do that because if it's for supervisor, they need to be selecting an individual. We can also show profile photos if we want to. There are some other options here per usual. So once we go ahead and select save, now when the user comes over and they have to select someone, they're going to have to reference someone within our organization to select as their supervisor. We only have a couple people on our list, but Brad Pitt is one of them. So once they select this person, should save automatically. And now you can see, well, it was already there, but now we have a reference to this user account, Brad Pitt. And if you hover on it, you can see all of this person's information. So this would be relevant on your guys' organization, your organization SharePoint, so that in case you have a list like this where you want to easily be able to reference who the person's supervisor is and get their contact information, you can just hover on it and then you'll see their email. Oftentimes you'll see the phone number there too if they have it populated, LinkedIn, all that good stuff. So that's how you add a person column to your SharePoint list.